In this video, we listed the 5 best car radios on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SINOVCLE Car Radio. The SINOVCLE Car Radio Audio Model 7805C is a versatile 1DIN multimedia player designed for in-dash installation, featuring a 4.1-inch HD TFT touch screen with a resolution of 854 by 480. It operates on a 12V power supply and offers a radio response bandwidth of 87.5 MHz to 108.0 MHz, with an output power of 4x45W. This unit supports Bluetooth A2DP for audio playback and hands-free calling, and includes a digital FM stereo receiver with the ability to preset up to 18 stations. Additional features include multiple language support, USB 2.0 and TF card slots for media playback, and compatibility with various video and audio formats. The radio also supports rear-view camera input and RCA audio, video outputs. It comes with a remote control, battery not included, and offers customizable backlighting with 7 color options. Please note that the auxiliary function has been replaced with an external microphone input, and the product's design may vary slightly due to upgrades. The package includes the car radio, cables, a user manual, and an optional rear camera. Number 2. Hikity 4022D Car Radio. The Hikity Auto Radio 4022D is a compact 1DIN car audio system featuring a 4.1-inch digital TFT screen with a resolution of 800 by 480, designed to enhance in-vehicle entertainment. It supports various audio formats including MP3 and WMA, and provides a range of connectivity options including a TF, microSD slot for external memory, up to 32 GB, a USB 2.0 port, and Bluetooth 2.0 for hands-free calling. Additionally, it offers a rear camera function for improved safety while reversing, making it compatible with universal vehicle brands. With a power output of 4x45W, built-in speaker and microphone capabilities, and support for steering wheel controls, this auto radio is both practical and user-friendly. The product includes a remote control, user manual, and an optional backup camera with a 170 degrees viewing angle and IP67 waterproof rating. Weighing 0.6 kilograms and operating on a 12V system, the Hikity Auto Radio 4022D promises to deliver quality audio and added functionality for a seamless driving experience. Number 3. Hippcron S1. The Hikity 9708 Android Car Radio is a versatile 1DIN multimedia player designed for a wide range of vehicles, featuring a 7-inch retractable touchscreen display with a resolution of 1024 by 600. Operating on Android 10.0, it supports various connectivity options, including Bluetooth 4.0, Wi-Fi, and 4G, allowing users to integrate their mobile devices through wireless CarPlay and wired Android Auto for seamless navigation, calls, and music playback. The device is equipped with a built-in GPS, DSP tuning technology for enhanced audio quality, and supports multiple digital media formats such as MP3, MP4, and JPEG. With a power output of 4x45W and a maximum external memory capacity of 32 GB, the radio combines functionality with user-friendly features like voice control and steering wheel support. It is constructed from metal and plastic, weighs 1.6 kilograms, and operates on a 12V voltage, making it a robust addition to any car audio system. The product comes with a 1-year warranty and is available in various languages, catering to a global audience. Number 4. Hippcron SX-5513. The SWM-80A single 1DIN car radio is a versatile multimedia MP3 player designed for enhanced audio experiences in vehicles. Featuring a dual-screen display and dual USB ports for mobile phone charging, this car stereo supports various audio sources including FM, AM radio, TF cards, and USB drives. It offers Bluetooth compatibility for seamless connectivity with mobile devices, enabling features like voice control and a locator function to help users find their cars. With a focus on sound quality, the device incorporates advanced hardware and software adjustments, making it suitable for audiophiles. The unit includes RCA audio outputs for subwoofer connection, a colorful lighting feature, and comes with essential accessories such as power cords and remote controls. Its compact design and plug-and-play installation make it an ideal choice for European car models, catering to users who value both functionality and style in their automotive audio systems. Number 5. Grandnavi 1 Din MP3 Player. The Grandnavi car stereo receiver is a versatile audio system designed for universal vehicle compatibility, featuring a built-in 2.5-inch screen and supporting various digital media formats, including CD and MP3. Weighing just 0.8 kilograms and operating on a 12V voltage, it boasts a powerful output of 4x50W for an enhanced stereo sound experience. Key features include FM radio with 30-station memory, Bluetooth functionality for hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, and multiple audio playback options through dual USB ports, a microSD slot, and an auxiliary input. The device also supports colorful lighting effects and offers mobile remote control capabilities, making it user-friendly. With compatibility for various languages and CE certification, this stereo receiver is a modern solution for music enthusiasts looking to upgrade their in-car audio experience.